Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to control who can message you on Instagram on PC or laptop. If you're using Instagram on your PC or laptop and you want to control that who can message you, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser and in your browser just open Instagram and here just go to the more option under your profile, then click on settings. And in settings, just scroll down and click on message and story replies. Click on this, then click on message control. Here you'll see the option of that who can see or who can send you a message request. So you have three options. The first one is everyone. So if you have selected this one, everyone on Instagram will be able to send you a message request. Or the second one is your followers. So if someone is want to message you, they just have to follow you first, and after following you, they'll be able to send you a message request. But the third option is no one. So if you have selected this no one option, no one on Instagram will be able to message you or send you a message request. So here's the also option of who can add you to group chat. So you can also select people you follow or have messaged before. So if you want to make your account private or if you want to don't allow anyone to add you in the group, so you can select this option from here. And after that, you can easily control who can message you on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.